Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Vatsal D. Patel from Civil Engineering Department working at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today we are going to discuss about technical writing and our today's topic is agenda and minutes of meetings. So let's start with the agenda of meeting first. So as the cornerstone to any successful meeting is an organization, an effective meeting agenda provides structure and focus and clearly indicates the purpose of the meeting. The agenda serves as the roadmap for the meeting. So, if we talk about agenda of meeting, communication means conveying message by a sender to the receiver. In an organization, communication take place with outside world, it and also internally with its members. Group communication is a major type of internal communication. A group is made up of two or more persons in social interaction with common interests and goals. This group must possess a stable structure. Some individual members may join on leave, but it must have a definite identity and the members must recognize each other as belonging to a group. For example, a group of people belonging to a board of directors or to a managing committee of a club or association, auto cooperative society. So next, a well constructed and throughout agenda is an indispensably valuable tool for achieving the desired meeting results in a reasonable amount of time. An agenda is a list of topics you will address to get that objective with a time limit to keep you on track. So, for this, formal groups are created to carry out specific tasks to help the organization achieve its goals. There are mainly three types of committee commonly used by the organization. Number one, boards, second one, standing committees, and third one is commissions. So, if we talk about it, boards are made up of members who are appointed or elected to manage a public or private organization. For example, board of directors of a company is selected to oversee and managing the affairs of a company. Standing committees like finance committee are formed to meet continuing organizational needs. They are not like project teams. Project teams are dissolved when a specific task like setting up a new branch is over. Whereas commissions are usually appointed or vice commissions are appointed to carry out administrative, legislative and regulatory duties. Okay, so this is mainly about the agenda of meeting. Now let us see significance of an agenda. So it forces the convener of the meeting to think about what needs to be accomplished. If it is seen ahead of time, the agenda lets participants know what to expect and allow them to prepare as required. It provides a blueprint for the meeting to follow. It helps the concerned members to think of what is left uncovered and this can help in adding those issues with the permission of the chair. Okay, so if we talk about significance of an agenda, so an agenda is the list of topics or subjects to be discussed in meeting. It is circulated with the notice well in advance so that the participants of the meeting prepare themselves for the discussion and concerns at hand. A well prepared agenda helps the chairperson in directing the business so that the decisions are taken efficiently. The agenda is sent as a part of notice, but sometimes it is also attached separately. So now let us see about tips for preparing an agenda. So send a preliminary meeting agenda and solicited any further agenda topics. Maybe be sure to include a strict deadline for additional topic suggestions. Include only those additional topics which assist in achieving the meeting objective. Your agenda should include all the topics and allow the participants to begin preparing for the meeting. If you have special guests attending the meeting, find out whether they have any issues that can be combined because they are related, similar, or even the same in terms of means or ends. If so, arrange them under one agenda item. Organize the order of events according to their time and importance. Generally, the first item on every agenda is confirmation of the minutes of the previous meeting, and the last any other matter with the permission of the chair. In case there are a few points to discuss, the agenda can be written on the notice itself. Check the agenda for errors and send the agenda along with the notice or email it to all the attendees. You should do this as near to actual meeting as possible. So these are the general tip for the preparing an agenda. Now let us see how to prepare an agenda. So mainly there are two parts, header and body, or we can say list of item. So one needs to be very careful while preparing an agenda for a meeting. So basically these are the main two parts. Okay, so let us discuss it. So first one is header. So the header is particularly useful if the participants belong to various group or organizations, or if the agenda will be made public record. So it should include name of the organization, group meeting agenda, location, date, starting time, etc., etc. Okay. Now if we talk about body, the body of the agenda lists the actual business to be transacted during the meeting. When possible, use action words such as approve, discuss, adopt, develop, assign, conceptualize, brainstorm, review, and announce so as to let the participants know what is expected of them. Allocate a reasonable and realistic amount of time to each agenda task. Place important tasks at the beginning of the agenda. Okay. So this is all about how to prepare an agenda. So this is the example of agenda. So you can see. Okay. So there is one agenda is there. Okay. So you can see its name, its location, and for the what time it will be there, on what day it will be there, and what are the various things will be included in it. Okay. So this is one example for agenda. Next is minutes of meetings. So minutes are the written proceeding of the business transacted during a meeting. Minutes are written either by the separately or by the person who is assigned to do the task. Minutes represents all the record of the proceedings at the meetings. During the course of meeting, the topics listed in the agenda are discussed serially one by one. Minutes represent the official record of the work done at the meeting of members, and so it must be clear, precise, and formal. Generally, the minutes are read out at the next meeting and approved by members before the chairperson signs them. They are always written in reported speech form. So now we will discuss the essential of meeting. So there is no fixed format, but usually following feature which we are going to discuss are a part of minutes of meeting with some resolution. So the minutes begin with the letterhead or the name of the company, name of the organization and nature of the meeting, day, date, time and place of the meeting, name of the chairman and members present at the meeting. A list is attached if many members are presented. Name of the person in attendance like the secretary, the auditor and the solicitor. A summary of discussion if necessary. Okay. So if we talk about the essential of meeting, so minutes are written either by the secretary or by the person who is assigned to do the task. All the meetings, whether a board meeting or a committee meeting or a social organization, has to maintain a record of their working. Minutes represent all the records of proceedings at the meeting. During the course of meetings, the topic listed in the agenda are discussed separately one by one. All the participants express their views and arrive at certain conclusion and audition which are known as resolution. Minutes represent the official record of the work done at the meeting of member, and so it must be clear, precise and formal. The APSC code of matches already decided upon, so resolution are a major part of the minutes. They are meant for future reference and available to all members on request as a background for future discussion. Generally, the minutes are read out at the next meeting and approved by the member before chairman sign them, and they are always written in reported speech form. They are written either in point format or with topical heading. Okay, so here is one example of minutes. Okay, so you can see which we have seen in agenda. Same like example is here. Okay, but here the format is different. Okay, so you can see the time, date, at location. Okay, so who will be there as a chairperson, as an executive committee member in attendance will be there. Okay, so in this way minutes of meetings are written like the number of minutes 8.01. Subject of minute will be confirmation of the minutes of the last meeting, and details of minute is like the minutes of the previous were distributed and approved by the members within the constituencies. So samely number of minutes will be written like this. Okay, so you can stop the video and take the screenshot and you can write it. Okay, so samely, so different minutes at a different what decision are taken, it will be written. Okay, so this is the example of minutes of meeting. Okay, so here I end my session.